Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add typing sound to your video using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created in my Capcut mobile application. And for example, I'm going to add typing sound to this video. If we want to add sound in Capcut, we can go to the audio and then select the sound effects. And here we'll be able to get a lot of sound effect from the Capcut. And if you want to add typing sound, you just need to search for the typing sound effect. Okay, just like this. And there will be a bunch of typing sound effect you can apply to your video. But don't forget to download the sound effect before you add it to your video. Right, guys. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. And we can click on the plus button to add it to our project. Wait. And you can also increase the volume if you want, like this. And this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add typing sound to our videos using Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!